guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Selena and today's video is going to be a little different. Today I'm going to be doing my hair in passion twist. Before I add the hair, I'm moisturizing my hair and adding some castor oil and coconut oil to my hair. I did individual twists last week so that when I decide to do the passion twist with the extensions, my hair will be already in sections, so it'll make it easier for myself. This is the back of my braiding pattern. It's not the best since I didn't use a mirror while I parted the back. And also, I'm not the best braider, to be honest. I followed Loveth Speaks tutorial on how to make my own passion twist extension. I used 2 packs of braiding hair, and instead of straws, I used skewers since I could only find straws that would bend and break, and I couldn't find the thick, strong ones that she was using. Like, I don't know where she got them from. I was a little worried because I felt like my curls were too small, but I actually ended up liking the way it looked at the end. I adjusted one leg of the braiding hair to make it longer than the other before I started twisting it. In the back, I used 2 pieces of braiding hair, and then in the front of my head, I used 1 piece of braiding hair. So this is how the end results look. It came out pretty long. I'm 5'3" for reference. Let me know how I did, and remember to check out Love of the Speaks for the original version and for a more in-depth tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know how I did down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.